Hey there, how we all doing today? Today we're taking a look at a different kind of watch. We're taking a look at Luminox. This is the 35th anniversary of Luminox. Doing a different video here, a quick little video on this Luminox watch. So Luminox is celebrating 35 years, and this is the original Navy SEAL watch, well, inspired by the original Navy SEAL watch. And uh, pretty good looking watch overall. Really practical. And I'm doing these quick little videos so we can take a look at this. If you guys like the videos with the Luminox, you want some more, I'm just doing it kind of in between some of the Seikos and Oruses I've talked about before. Here, this one, because of 35th anniversary, it comes with a coin, and it's a really cool looking coin. This is a nice little setup, and I thought that, since this is the 35th anniversary, this might be a good watch to cover, our first Luminox here on the channel. And this is the Luminox 3001 Heritage wristwatch. It celebrates the 30th anniversary of the iconic original Navy SEAL watch. Now, 35 years is how old Luminox is, and the specific Navy SEAL dive watch, it first came out in 30 years ago. And that's why we have the red 30 there on the bezel. And this watch is a quartz watch. Don't really cover too many quartz watches here, but having a quartz watch is a nice thing to have sometimes. You don't have to worry about setting it all the time. It is kind of convenient, and it's a good watch to run around. If you're doing something active and stuff like that. And the material is really light. If you're not used to wearing watches, it's a good watch to wear because it's made with their signature Carbinox case. And this one, of course, has got the rubber band on it. And you can see it's really legible, easy to read. Nice looking dive watch overall. And here you can see it on my wrist. The watch is Swiss made, and it's got the Luminox glow. That's what Luminox is known for. We'll take it in the dark soon. The case here is 43 millimeters, and the thickness is 13 millimeters, and the water resistance is 200 meters on the watch. Simple, easy to read, nice looking watch. I kind of like, it's got the Challenger coin on it. With the 35th anniversary. Again, this is the 30th anniversary for the Navy SEAL watch. Just looks good all together. Let's take a look in the dark. And there you go. Take a look at that glow. The glow on these watches, they're supposed to have a consistent glow for up to 25 years in any light condition. So very cool. I'll move it around a little bit here for you all to see. Again, this is our first Luminox video. We might try some more. Just let me know how you like it, or if you don't like it. I know I'm opening up a big can of worms, asking you guys, what you think about this. But just let me know if you guys like Luminox. Thanks. Have a good one. Bye.